Setting and adjusting the new Master Control's electronic jockey pump controller is now easier, more precise, and comes with added functionality to troubleshoot quickly and intelligently. Plus, if you hook it up with our fire pump control panel, our data recorder will automatically record all jockey pump data too. Let's start with the basics. Our home screen shows you the current PSI trip and reset pressures settings. You can toggle through information and setting screens using the next button and change settings with the increase or decrease buttons. First, you'll view your high-level data, such as total motor run hours, total motor starts, and motor starts over a 24-hour period. This can help you troubleshoot and identify issues and causes quickly in the field. Next, you'll find your setting functionality, where you can set everything from trip and reset PSI, minimum run timer, restart time, and number of maximum starts before the alarm trips. To change these, just press Next until the corresponding screen pops up and press Increase or Decrease. That's it. Now, if you really want to be savvy, you can connect our JPC-E directly to the fire pump controller, which does two things. First, you can change any of the jockey settings from the control panel by going to the JPC-E menu. Second, any and all data the JPC-E captures will be additionally recorded by our controller. Two final notes. If you have a high zone, low zone system, you can add a fixed 2-second delay start by holding the increase button for 5 seconds, and a D will appear on the screen indicating delay. You can disable this again by pressing the increase button for another 5 seconds. If you're working internationally and want to set PSI to bar, hold the home button for 5 seconds, pushing it for another 5 seconds to switch back to PSI. To learn more about our other products, including the variable speed controller, check out our website or YouTube channel.